This is Fisher Flying Products. I'm Dave Hartner. Welcome to The Nest. Our video newsletters provide weekly insight into building and flying our 15 wooden aircraft designs. Plini Motori of Italy is a gracious sponsor of our channel. Plini is the manufacturer of the Thor 250 DS. Cozy Carb Ice Prevention Systems is a proud sponsor of this channel as well. Please take the time to watch our videos to the end, as this assists us in the metrics that YouTube uses to rate our channel. Hit the like button if you feel that the content is worthy. We invite you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button and hitting the bell so that you are notified whenever we post our newsletters. Happy New Year, everyone, and welcome back to The Nest. We hope that you had a nice holiday season under the circumstances. We've been able to remain open under COVID-19 restrictions, and all of our employees and their families have been able to avoid contracting the virus so far. 2021 is shaping up to be a very interesting and busy year for us at Fisher Flying Products. As you will see in this week's video, we've made much progress on the ARIA project demo plane. Lionel will show you how we have been able to get the fuselage well underway, and we will describe how we're going through the DFM process to make the kit more efficient to manufacture in our facility. We've also been able to get all of the hardware translated from plans into 2D CAD and have put together bid packages for outside vendors. Lastly, we've been able to secure an engine and development assistance from Rotec Motor Limited of Vernon, BC, in conjunction with Rotax. And this will greatly assist us in providing a reliable internal combustion engine package for the ARIA. We are pleased to announce that we have a new regional sales manager in the US. Neil Herman comes to us with a lifetime of sales experience and product knowledge from his prior association with Fisher Flying Products. Neil was one of the regional dealers for Fisher when it was owned by Gene and Darlene Hansen. Neil is in Phoenix, Arizona, and can be reached at 602-703-2897 and by email at southwestflying@yahoo.com. We've received all of the manufacturing equipment, inventory, and documentation from SkyDrives in the UK. We purchased the assets of their successful line of carburetor coolant heaters, and we will begin shipping these systems under the product name Cozy Carb in the next month. These systems will fit the Rotax 912, 912 ULS, and various iterations of the venerable Rotax 582. We've been working on the web store as well. You can now purchase plans for all of our models except for the ARIA directly from our web store. We currently can serve customers from Canada and the US from there, and we'll be able to serve the whole world when our new shipping calculator module gets installed. We will be adding Cozy Carb 912 and 582 packages to the web store when they become available. We used our time wisely over the holiday period to revamp the workshop. We've completed creation of our TIG welding station, where we will now be able to weld the aluminum fuel tanks and engine mounts in-house. A definite cost-cutting measure, as outside vendor shop rates in the area have been rising steadily as of late. We have added some pallet racking so that we can store in-process kits safely. We also added new table saw caddy and metal area layout table. I took a bit of a break from making videos over the holidays as we had our kids home from university and needed to spend some precious family time together before they return to their challenging studies. I'd like to say a big thank you to all who watched our videos and who purchased from us over the past year. 2020 was a doozy. We look forward to an interesting and productive 2021. So now, here is Lionel to talk about the ARIA.
Hello guys, this is Lionel from Fisher Flying Products. I'm very excited today to show you where we are with the ARIA. So I will show you a little bit what I'm doing right now here. So this is my workspace. As you can see, this is my bench where I used to work. As you can see, I like to play with drawings and read drawings. So I'm comfortable as well with computers, but I prefer to work close to my project directly with drawings here. So we printed all the new drawings for the ARIA. they're all sitting here, and you see I use a lot of colors just to make sure that I don't forget anything. It's a bit a mess, but this is how I like to work. So as you can see behind me, this is our demo plane. I will explain to you a little bit how we work on the ARIA. So we decided to offer you a quick build, or maybe we can call it a very fast quick build airplane. We don't want you to spend hours and days and years to build the plane. We want you to get into the sky as soon as you can. So we decided to offer you that kind of quick build kit. So just a quick description how it looks like. So this is the demo plane. So this one won't looks like the same as you can get into your box. The one you will get in your box won't get the skin installed, but you will have the box, the fuselage box will be completely done for you. The turtle deck as well will be done for you, and the complete tail kit will be done as well. The tail kit will be skinned, just because it's easier for us to build with the skin on. So also we decided that the wings will be some kind of removable for easy transportation, and also easy to build for you in your garage. So you will have about 2.5 meters center sections wing that will be built for you. I mean, when I say built, will be just the main spar will be built, the rear spar will be built, the ribs will be built as well. You just have to assemble everything together. For that, we are also working on a very easy drawings to follow, and also assembly manual that we will provide you with a lot of pictures, very easy to follow. Anyhow, if you have still some questions, you cannot read the drawings correctly, or any technical question that you may have, you just give us a call or just send us an email. So I would like to show you as well how roomy the plane is. So as you can see, the fuselage body is 25-inch inside, 25-inch wide, and a very tall pilot, like 6 feet and more, can fit into that type of plane. That plane is a tandem, so the pilot will be in front and the passenger will be at the back, and just behind the passenger we'll have some kind of luggage compartment that you can hold about 15 pounds at least. So I invite you to contact Dave to get more information about that plane and about that kit. And also, if you want to get some information about speed, payloads, any type of technical question, characteristic questions that you may have, just give us a call or just check the descriptions link that we will put here on top of my head. Also, we decided to improve our way how to build the plane and how to promote Fisher and especially the ARIA. So a lot of parts are made with lamination in the wooden aircraft industry, but we decided to go with plywood, for example, for the turtle deck. So this is made with plywood with a CNC, so it's very fast to build, and so for us it's efficient, and also for you because it's less time to build the things. Also, a lot of lamination, like very crazy shape like this, very difficult to make with lamination sometimes. We decided to create that type of lamination with a solid piece of high quality plywood like this one. This is 3/4 inch. It takes us 5 minutes to create that piece, when it might take you hours and hours to laminate the things, dry with the glue, and also create the jigs. So we did for you those kind of difficult parts. Here, this is our CNC router machine that we have here in the shop. I like to use that machine because it's efficient and the quality is very perfect. It's accurate, and it is really fast. So, and if it's fast for us, it's less cost as well when we want to sell the plane as affordable prices. That's where we can save some kind of money. So it's beneficial for everybody, for the customers and for us as well. So we plan with that type of work to create the ribs for you. We try to create as much parts as we can just to expedite the process of building, and also for higher quality and efficiency.
Thanks again for watching. We try hard to bring you interesting content each week. To help us out, please like and share our videos if you feel the content is worthy. To receive the latest info from Fisher Flying Products, click the subscribe button and ring the bell. See you next time in the nest.